PxM Express is the free version of our privileged access and task management platform. And although it's limited to 25 devices, it gives you access to all the functionality that's provided in our full product suite. You see, we wanted to get our solution into your hands as soon as possible because we believe the speed of deployment and ease of use makes testing absolutely painless. And naturally, we think you'll enjoy using the software so much that you'll exceed the 25 device limit and proceed to a more serious commitment. So, to get you going, we've put together this series of introductory videos. They'll cover off installation, adding devices, users, and AD integration, single sign-on, and even writing simple tasks and delegating to third parties. So, here's Tom to get us started on the installation.
To get PxM Express running, you'll need two things: a download of the OVF for the virtual machine and a license key. To get these, you register at this URL, your details go into a queue, and then one of our consultants will call for a short chat about what you might like to use Express for. After this, you'll receive an email with the license key and a download link. We'll use VMware as an example. Here, we import the OVF. On turning on the virtual machine, you'll be asked to press Enter to set up and configure the PxM platform. You'll then be asked to accept a ULU agreement, and the next step after that involves configuring the network interface for the appliance. The next step is the most important, the master encryption key. This will be displayed to you on the console screen, and you need to note it down and keep it safe. The next step will ask you to re-enter the master encryption key, and this key is used to encrypt the key store and is also required if you want to restore a backup of this appliance onto a fresh OVA deployment. Once you've re-entered the master encryption key, you'll have to provide a host name for the appliance. The next step asks you to set the password for the primary superadmin user. The appliance is now built using the configuration you've supplied. Once it's restarted, the console will show you where to get the PxM client and the user you'll need to connect as. At this point, you've got the PxM appliance running. Now you need to download the desktop client from the appliance here. And now you're ready to upload the license key here. To preload your PxM Express with our Plays Well With device and task set, you can get a template bundle from the support forum. And whilst we're at it, you get the same support for the Express version as you would for the full version. It's just we prioritise answering full customers first. In the next video, we'll cover adding devices and role-based accounts. Click here to subscribe and here for next in the PxM Express series.